Hello, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Let's do a little get ready with me for a surprise date night. I have no idea where I'm going. All I know, happy Saturday, by the way. Welcome back to a vlog. All I know is to be ready between 7 and 7:15, or that's when we're walking out the door. It is 5:55. I am obviously doing a little bit of makeup. I blow dried my hair before I sat down, but I want to try something new with my hair. I don't do much with my hair, y'all know that if you've been here, but I want to try something a little bit different tonight. I have some super cute outfit options for tonight, which I got everything on Walmart. This video is sponsored by Walmart, so thank you, Walmart. So let me show you the outfit options. I'll finish my makeup and then we'll meet back here. And hopefully, fingers crossed, I can pull off the hairstyle. I have 4 looks to show you with this incredible jacket that, listen, when you see it, you're gonna know exactly why I ordered it. Everything will be linked directly in the description box down below. Thank you, Walmart, again, for sponsoring this video. If you've never shopped the Walmart app, I say this every single time, you are truly missing out. That is exclusively how I shop. You're able to dwindle down what your model looks like, what size your model is, what brands you want to shop, if you want it delivered, if you want to pick up, affordable, actual plus size things. This haul, chef's kiss, I'm so excited. Let's start with look number 1. Skirt is free assembly. I love all the jewels on the front. I think that is such a pretty detail. This is a Taren sky sweater. Are you kidding me? Look at the bow. This is also the softest material. I'm pretty sure this is in a size 1X. Fit is phenomenal. I got this skirt in a size 18 and it's a little bit big. So keep that in mind if your measurements are anywhere close to mine. Mine are listed in the description box. I think we were in the 40s last night, 40 degrees. So you know for me that's freezing. So I'm so excited to pull out some of these cozy things. So keep score in your head. This is outfit number 1. I'm calling this outfit number 2, so keep that in mind for your scorecard. Time and True is the brand in a size 1X. This is your quintessential cable knit sweater. I love the little detail on the sleeve. You can also tuck it in. I think that's a good trick to do sometimes. Oh, I might like it like that. A little front tuck on the sweater because it's a little bit baggy, but that's how it's meant to be, like a little bit oversized. This green color, if you have a holiday party to go to, how cute is this? This screams like nighttime, date night. Untucked, by the way, I like the length of this too. It's a pretty long sweater. Look number 3, listen, I haven't decided what I'm wearing yet, but if you were to ask me in this very moment, it's this one all the way. Taren Sky is the brand in a size 1X. The burgundy color is the most beautiful fall, holiday, like date night party look. This sweater is also so soft. It's a ribbed material, super stretchy, so it's very comfortable. I like the mock neck with the longer-ish sleeves. But then you've got this silky material at the bottom. The length is perfect. I feel like this is the way to go, right? How pretty is this? I was gonna save my like wow factor piece for the end, but I feel like we need to see it with this. This is my wild card piece, though it's really not that wild for me here. This is the brand Sophia in a size 2X. I love this. It's this maybe not oversized, but more boxy fit, super fluffy animal print jacket. When you see the last look, you'll understand why I was gonna save it for that. Ooh, it's a little bit chilly out. I wanna be a little bit trendy. I wanna be cozy. Like, I'm still counting this as look number 3. Okay, so just keep that in mind. We'll do a little add-on, 3A, okay? This is outfit 3A. Oh, when it does button, it has these little snaps. Oh my gosh, there's another snap here. Oh, and then another one at the bottom, even better. 3A, let me know your thoughts. And look number 4, Tara and Sky is the brand in a size 2X. I should have gone with the 1X, so keep that in mind. Also, I don't need an excuse to wear sequins, and this wrap dress is gorgeous. It's an actual wrap dress as well. So you've got a little snap here at the top. Even your tie is sequins. It does actually open up all the way as well, and then you just tie it here on the side. I'm gonna snap this back as well. The length is so cute too. I love the long sleeves on it. It just screams party, right? A fancy date night, a holiday party. We do like themed dinners at my house. I would absolutely wear this. Oh, New Year's Eve. Keep that in mind. This could be like a jack of all trades dress. You could wear it for so many things. Adding this back to look number 4, it actually has a silky interior, so it's not gonna pull the sequins. So this was my idea for the jacket, though I feel like it could go with so many things, and it's such a cute way to do a cozy jacket. I don't own anything like this. Don't forget, everything is linked down below in the description box. Thank you again to Walmart for sponsoring this video. I'll say this too, Walmart has stepped up its game in the plus size department over the years, and I am pleasantly surprised and excited when I shop on the app. I can always find something in my size that is on trend, that is affordable. And we always love Walmart hauls as well. Anytime we do this, I always get comments like, I bought this and love it. I'm trying this. I know I'm going to love it. So, okay, enough rambling. Back to date night. I think I know what I'm wearing. I think you know what I'm wearing as well. Let's get into the hair. So I have pre-curled my hair with this Hot Tools curling iron. I'm pretty sure this is a 1.5 inch. It could be a 1 inch, but I feel like it's 1.5. I will find it and link it down below for you. I'm gonna slightly comb. That wasn't slightly, that was hard. I'm gonna comb this out and then I'll put the video somewhere on the screen of the hairstyle that I want to try. I follow Meredith. This is her TikTok. I follow her everywhere. Instagram, YouTube, all of the above. She does some really cute hairstyles and this one looks doable. I think I need a ponytail holder. I'm pretty sure I have a whole pack of bobby pins. Yes, there we go. I have 2 different colors of bobby pins. I think I'm gonna go for, I have this like lighter pack and then this. Let's put the hair up first. I'll say this, if you have been here for any amount of time, I literally have 2 hairstyles. It's either straight or it's curled. For the longest time, I only wore my hair up, and now that I've gotten older, I do it like this. Seems like she just does it kind of messy. Quite a bit down in the front. I think I got more on that side. It's meant to be messy. Then we're doing it in like a bun like this. I think we're gonna go with probably the dark. And then we pull these down in the front. Did I pull enough of it out? Because my hair's kind of long. Hold on. Let me try to get 3. There we go. Bobby pin. I'm a little bit closer here. Let me see if I can bobby pin this somewhere. That's what we look like from the back. I left my curling iron on because I thought I might want to recurl, but I don't think that's the case. I think it's pretty good. Oh yeah, okay. I can't get these bobby pins to hold, y'all, so I think I'm gonna try the lighter color one. Maybe these are a little more heavy duty. I think I am gonna recurl these front ones. Let me turn this down. Watch me do all this and then not even wear it like this. Okay, what do we think about this? I wish that y'all could tell me in real time, but I feel like it's kind of cute. Okay, let me look at it and decide if this is how I wanna wear my hair. And I will meet you back when we do the outfit. I've only been rolling for 10 minutes. I'm very pleased that this only took me 10 minutes. I think I'm going with it. I'm back to tell you that. I'm gonna hairspray. I looked back at all the video and I feel like it looks okay. I feel very cute. And this is the final look. Are you surprised? Obviously, I felt like the mock neck with the hair up would be so cute, and I was right. I am gonna take this watch off and I'm gonna switch out my bag to my green one that I got in Italy. The outfit. And Brian's outfit. Unfortunately, it's not quite chilly enough for that leopard print faux fur jacket that's hanging in there. No. It's like 60 degrees, but here's Brian's little outfit. This is my outfit. Just look at my makeup. You're on widescreen and the flash is on, so I don't even know if I'm looking in the right direction. We just looped it around the neighborhood because I wasn't sure if I unplugged the curling iron, so Brian's running in. But I'm very happy with my hair, my makeup, my super cute outfit. No idea where we're going, but I know we're early.
We're early.
But that's okay. I'm assuming reservations somewhere, probably 7:30.
Yeah.
It's real far away?
Real far.
Okay. We've been talking about this place, y'all. It's called Amici. A-M-I-C-I, right?
A-M-I-C-I.
A-M-I-C-I. Amici. And it's a newer place that opened, but I saw on Facebook, one of my friends posted the plates from here, and it literally looked like, I sent it to Brian, didn't I? Mm-hmm. It looked like what?
Looks like something we got at Italy.
It looked legitimately...
In Italy. At Italy.
In Italy. It just, like, the plates, like, the style, it was what? Tiramisu, or carbonara, and...
It looked like cacio e pepe.
Yeah, and then the little, like, vanilla-type dessert.
Yeah. With,
I don't even know what that's called.
Sauce on.
Yeah. Yay. Oh, we're both starving. Brian hasn't eaten all day. I had some cheese and crackers for lunch. I'm very happy with my outfit choice now. Yeah, I felt like I was a little bit dressy, but I don't think so anymore. Oh, how cute. Okay. I think it's like obviously a wine shop and all kind of, like, I saw all kind of places. How cute. Thank you, thank you. There's people sitting outside. There's live music out there too. Thank you. This is where we are, by the way. And this is the wine and cocktail, like alcohol menu. Oh, espresso too. Getting flashbacks to Italy. She was telling us about the water. You buy it by the bottle. I almost asked her if they had a Hugo Spritz because that was my favorite. When we were over there, I see Aperol Spritz. She said the Amici 75 and the White Lily are her favorites. And then she sat these down. They're fall cocktails. And then she also said these are their November specials. What are you getting again?
Apple bourbon sparkler.
Apple and bourbon sparkler. I think I'm gonna get that Amalfi Nights. Sounds pretty good, but so does the Crana Tallarita. Brian ordered us this little cheese board and also this bread, which is incredible. So we're enjoying a few appetizers. I got tortellini. Brian got carbonara. Yeah. I'm definitely getting Italy flashbacks, y'all. This is the tortellini with the mushroom. Brian did get the carbonara. I think I told y'all that, but that looks just like what we would have gotten in Italy. That's actually a bigger portion than we would have gotten, but this looks so good. How is it? Does it taste like Italy? We'll have to try each other's.
Italy could taste more the egg. This has a very buttery flavor. Good, real good.
It smells incredible. My tortellini. Brian ordered an after dinner cappuccino and it looks exactly like in Italy with a little sugar and spoon on the side. Tastes like Italy? I should have got one. I don't know though, it's like 9 o'clock at night, so. Thank you so much. That looks so good. Brian didn't wait for my video, he went ahead. Is it good?
Holy mother.
So, server asked if we wanted a gelato on top, vanilla gelato. We said absolutely. This is their some kind of apple dessert. But... Hi, hello, happy Sunday. Welcome to day 2. Okay, not just a date night. We're hanging out today. So we just pulled up to, I think it's called Maker's Market in Fairhope, Alabama. I saw this on Facebook, like a Facebook event that one of my friends said she was interested in. And it's just like local little homemade type things. So we decided to ride over. It's sunny, but it's a little bit chilly. It is 62 degrees. So Brian's putting on a little hoodie. I didn't bring a jacket, but I do have like a rain jacket if I really need it. But this place, it's not very big. So I think I'll be okay. Okay, before we get out of the car, let's talk about dinner last night. Give me your thoughts.
Wow. This is about as close to being back in Italy as we could possibly get. You could tell all the food was freshly prepared. It was not just, all kinds of canned or packaged stuff or whatever. It was legit. It was really good.
I'll stand by my statement that the portions were a little bit bigger than you get in Italy.
A little bit, yeah.
Just a little bit. Yeah. But the food tasted like the whole, not really the atmosphere of the restaurant, but the vibe of the food. So the kind of bread we got, the charcuterie board, the kind of things they put on it, the types of options on the menu, like none of the pasta options had meat, which was very typical for Italy. They did have one of the menu things that said you could add Gulf shrimp. So they had local shrimp that you could add in, but it was very good. I'm very happy. And I'm even happier that we found a place that tastes like Italy food that's not too far from where we live. Let's go to the market, see if we need anything at this place. It's also warmer out here than I think you thought it was gonna be. No? He said no. So this is what it looks like. I'll tag the little place that shared it on Facebook. Oh my gosh, look at all the wreaths. How pretty. I love Christmas, or like wreaths in general like this. Jewelry over there. She just said all those flowers are made out of wood. Wow. Sourdough bread, how cute. Sourdough, all kind of stuff.
So we don't use white sugar like from the marshmallow. It's made from honey. No powdered sugar at all. Ingredients like our chocolate, it's Belgian chocolate. Olive oil that we do in all our breads. It's Spanish olive oil.
Is this the pecan and a pumpkin? Yeah, one of each. And then I think I want to try one of the baguettes. I'll take one of those too, please. Got us a baguette. All right. A little sourdough baguette to try. Local honey for sale. Even more. Oh, another bakehouse. It looks like real wood. Oh, it's so pretty.
Nice to meet you.
What'd you get? A card and a magnet?
Yeah, these guys are local. Like hot sauce.
Pepper Brothers. There you go.
Four wheeling. Yeah.
I was going to show them what I got, but it's a little bit wonky. Let's see if I can get it to stay there while I show you. Okay, baguette, obviously. She said if you, you can absolutely toast this. It's kind of flat. It's sourdough, but I was like, okay, that might be pretty good. And then I got one each of the pecan and the pumpkin little mini pastries. Bake Affair, sweet and savory pastries. I think she was saying everything was sourdough.
I think that is what she said.
Yeah, that's cool though.
Yep.
That's a cute little market. Again, like, it's for people that make things, sell, like, you know, it's not
Commercial.
Yeah.
It's not like really commercial stuff.
They had
It's
so much
more-
stuff there.
Yeah, local folks.
Like a few jewelry boutique little booths. They had honey, hot sauce, like a white barbecue, soaps. There was I saw 2 bread stands or 2 like stands like from where I got this kind of stuff.
Little crafts and stuff like that.
Yeah, that was cute.
Yeah.
So I think now we're probably gonna try to find something to eat for lunch. Brunch, lunch type situation. So I'll show you when we get there. Oh, hey again. Let's take the sidewalk. We're gonna eat at this place called Ash and Oak. It's a new pizza place that Brian found. How'd you find it?
I think somebody posted it on Facebook or something like that, and it was just like
It looks kinda good.
Looks kind of cool.
Yeah.
And they said something about the courtyard. It might be a little chilly for the courtyard today.
Yeah.
But
Here it is. Come in, we're open. I guess this door, huh? Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. I think it says order over there, so I don't know if it's a sit-down type restaurant.
In the courtyard.
The courtyard back there. Oh, how cute. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's not too bad out here. Look at that car. I think we'll still sit inside.
Yeah.
Look at this mirror in the bathroom. It changes colors. This is so cute in here.
Like specialty pizzas here. They're all wood fire.
Specialty pizzas. Oh, the wood fire. Let me show you. Okay. So we do order here. Okay.
Yeah. All their pizza, 14-inch pizzas, and then you order. You can get regular pizza, and then you just tell them what toppings you want, or you can get a specialty pizza, and then they'll send us a text message.
And then you just pick a seat
Yeah,
and have your meal.
anywhere.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, let's pick a pizza then. We've ordered. Now we're just waiting. We're gonna pick a table, but look at this little back area. Oh, it's darts. Little cassette tapes on the walls. This is so cool.
It's like a little soccer game.
Look at that phone booth. Is that what that is? Yeah, a phone booth. They got a skeleton in there. I mean, Halloween was, what, 2 days ago? This is a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. I know they said 14 inches, but I guess I imagine more like personal pan size. I got pepperoni and sausage, light sauce. Brian got extra cheese, black olives, and mushrooms. And it looks really good. Our eyes were bigger than our stomachs. We got pizza to go. Leftovers, I should say. We didn't get an extra pizza to go. Give us your rating.
I thought it was probably a 9 out of 10.
Wow.
Maybe 8.5, but the crust was really good. You could tell it was real pizza dough. Good flavor. It was wood fired, so
Yeah.
it was very hot. I think
say-
the crust could have been a little crispier. That's
Yeah.
all. But some folks, if you like a little chew to your dough, which a lot of folks do when you eat pizza, that's your pizza right there.
I agree with everything you said. I agree. We're going to end this video here because it's Sunday now. We're going to go home. It's daylight saving time today, and we're just going to sit.
Yeah.
So thank you for watching us for the last couple of days. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, tell them, Brian.
Thumbs up.
And what?
Subscribe.
Don't forget, all of the Walmart outfits I showed are linked in the description box down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Goodbye.
Thank y'all. Bye.
Bye.